One of the philosophers, I don't know if it was Aristotle or somebody, but they said this: indeed, get married. And if you marry well, you will be happy. But if you don't, you will become a philosopher. Do you know what philosophers do? They think about the issues of life. And you will spend a great portion of your life thinking about your marriage. Welcome to another healing and relationship episode where we talk about everything and anything that pertains to relationship and family matters, whether it will be bringing up children or conflict between partners or marriage breakdown. And we do give advice to those who are aspiring to getting married or getting in a relationship. So please pay attention to everything that is said here. I'm your host, Nick. Been a public speaker and a coach for the past 20 years. And I've learned some things in my own life. The ups and downs of life has taught me so many things. And in here, you'll find wisdom that will help life. So stay put as we go through this episode. Thank you. Hello and welcome to my channel. Very happy to be able to share thoughts with you today. One of the philosophers, I don't know if it was Aristotle or somebody, but they said this: indeed, get married. And if you marry well, you will be happy. But if you don't, you will become a philosopher. Do you know what philosophers do? They think about the issues of life. And you will spend a great portion of your life thinking about your marriage. That is, if you don't make the right choice. But how do you make that right choice? You need to have information and you need to have wisdom. And this is what I try to do here on this channel. Sharing out of my own life. 18 years of marriage, now divorce. So I've learned one or two things. And after reading a lot, researching, asking myself questions, doing self-analysis, examination, looking inward and reading others, I have come to produce a book out of it. I'm basically doing these videos to help people out there. So if you don't want to spend the majority of the time thinking, oh gosh, what mistake have I made? Goodness me, how do I get out of this situation? If you don't want that, then my advice to you is get information, get understanding, and get wisdom. One of the ways you do that is by subscribing to this channel and learning from other people so you can get the information. And out of that information will come wisdom when you apply in your situation. I don't know where your situation is. If you are not yet married, then this is the time to do that. If you are already married, then you need wisdom to navigate what is happening in your life. Because, like I said, marriage, there are different seasons of it. There is no marriage that is conflict-free or challenge-free. But you need the wisdom to navigate and to be able to not just survive, but thrive. I failed miserably, but I've learned and I'm sharing with you so you don't fail. Okay? If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe to this channel and go and watch the many videos that I put out there. One of it is this. Do you feel like you wasted years in your marriage? Because that's what people feel like sometimes. I've been in this marriage and I've wasted my years. I could have done something better. Go and watch this. Subscribe and do share it with other people. And I look forward to seeing you in another video. Take care. Bye-bye for now.